it's time to go. Digger and friends fix up the road, but something strange beneath the ground. Let's find out what can be found. Sunny skies and work to do. Tippy dumps the gravel too. Liftor lifts and Rollsy rolls, working hard with happy goals. Then a rumble shakes the floor. Digger says, let's dig some more. A tunnel hiding down below. Let's explore it nice and slow. Down, down, deep inside, glowing walls on either side. Teamwork leads the way to go. Vroom, 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 let's roll below. Path is blocked, but that's okay. Digger digs the rocks away. They find an old machiney room with rusty gears and dusty gloom. Sunlight shines the ends inside. They cheer and laugh with pure delight. Back above where flowers grow, best adventure now we know. Down, down, deep inside, glowing walls on either side. Teamwork leads the way to go.